Hi, I'm Peggy the Penguin. The Bay Area is generally a very green place. But do you know how to be green? Do you need to get your electricity from the wind? Do you need to install solar panels? It's actually a lot simpler than that. All you gotta do is sort your trash. Now, I know you already know how to sort your trash, but do you know why you do it? Let's go check out our friends Chloe and Kyle.
I want to eat this sandwich, but I'm just so full. I guess I'll just throw it away.
Kyle, you can't do that.
Why not?
You have to sort it. You can't just litter.
But it'll just decompose anyway.
Yeah, but if you do that and it ends up in the landfill somewhere, that could really harm the environment.
Like how?
Well, it can lead to greenhouse emissions, water pollution, and you're wasting valuable water.
Oh God, that sounds horrible. But how does wasting my sandwich cause all of that?
Let me show you. Come on.
Okay.
Imagine this greenhouse as our Earth, and all these panels, they trap in heat just like greenhouse gases do. When you have a landfill, a lot of times they can't get rid of your food trash. The food trash rots in the landfill over a large period of time. When it rots, it decomposes inside all of this trash, and it makes this gas called methane. Methane is composed of 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen atoms, making it a very bad greenhouse gas.
Other greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and chlorofluorocarbons. But not all greenhouse gases are bad. Imagine it like a little blanket. Without any greenhouse gases, the Earth would be a frozen wasteland, sort of like my home. But if there are too many blankets, mostly because of human interference, like cars spewing out carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, the Earth would get too hot. This is why global warming is a problem. Global warming refers to man-made warming, not natural warming. Know the difference.
But why is global warming bad? I heard it's only warming up 1 degree. I can't even tell the difference.
It might not seem that much different here, but 1 degree could change an entire ecosystem in the Arctic and Antarctic poles, melting all the ice caps. That's endangering penguins and polar bears. And also, not only does this cause global warming, but it can also lead to water pollution. Let's go check out the bay.
Water pollution? But they're not throwing food into the bay.
Yeah, but listen to this. When you have landfill built up over time, rainwater seeps through the trash and collects all its pollutants going into our groundwater. This stuff is called leaching. Here, watch this.
Leachate is just a really fancy word for when rainwater seeps into landfills and makes dirty water that contaminates the fresh water. So I'm going to show you a little demonstration to show you how it works. This represents the landfill. This right here is our groundwater. This is the water that sometimes is used for drinking and collects underground in something called aquifers. This is going to be our rainwater. So when landfill is over the groundwater, like so, and the rainwater seeps through, that's leachate.
Wasting water? But how much water could I actually be wasting? My sandwich wasn't even that big.
Well, food takes tons of water to produce, and actually most of the water used in the United States is used in agriculture, almost 70%. Every ingredient in that sandwich of yours, from the lettuce, the wheat, the tomatoes, everything requires so much water.
So, global warming, water pollution, and wasting water? Wait, how do I even prevent all of this?
Come on, I'll show you where the statue is supposed to go.
Alright.
All you have to do is put your food waste in the right bin, the green bin, and over time this will turn into compost. You can compost in your own home.
Really? My mom doesn't like the idea of us composting in our own home. She says it'll smell.
If your family isn't okay with composting in your own home, you can always put it in the green bin, and the waste management people will take it for you and turn it to soil or fertilizer.
Is that the rolly green bin one?
Yeah.
Oh, great! So, wait, does that mean if I compost and they can turn it into fertilizer that can be used to grow more food?
Composting is super simple. All you have to do is put your food waste, yard clippings, and anything else that's organic into these bins. And over time, heat and water and bacteria help break it down into soil. And the waste management system is on a huge scale. They take all of our waste from our green bins and turn them into compost.
Oh, great. But I'm just one person. How much of a difference can me composting really make?
Kyle, this is happening all over the globe. By doing your part, you're reducing the amount of waste in landfills and you're setting a great example.
Wow, I sure learned a lot. So if I compost, I can prevent emitting greenhouse gases that cause global warming. I can prevent polluting our water. And if I compost, then that makes soil so that we can grow more food.
Exactly.
Wow.
Do 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 do.